Hi, okay. Now I am going to discuss about the first, second, third, and fourth neuron, oder neurons. Okay. Olfactory, first cranial nerve, sensory nerve, first cranial nerve and sensory nerve. Okay. First neuron. First of all, I have discussed in the past video 16 to 20 million olfactory cells are present, and in one cell there are approximately 20 olfactory nerves are present. These olfactory nerves are bipolar. Okay, these are dendrites, these are axons, and the above mitral cells has also dendrites. These axons and these are dendrites, and makes together glomerulus. Okay, these glomerulus consist of the axons of the olfactory cells or olfactory nerve and the dendrites of the mitral cells, and these are the gaps between the ethmoid bone of the brain. What is this process? Cribriform process. Okay, when it goes through this, and where it goes to the olfactory bulb, which I have already discussed. This the olfactory bulb. Okay, after crossing the gap and the process of cribriform, the axon terminals of the olfactory nerve goes to the olfactory bulb. Okay, olfactory bulb. So first order neuron means olfactory bulb nerve goes to olfactory bulb. Okay. Second order neuron means from olfactory bulb the axon terminals of mitral cells, which I have already discussed in the past video. The axon terminals of the mitral cells joins together and form olfactory tract, which goes to the primary olfactory cortex and many structures. Mainly the second order neuron is olfactory tract in the olfactory bulb, then goes to the olfactory tract after joining together of the axon terminal of the mitral cells. Okay, third neuron, this olfactory tract goes to POC, primary olfactory cortex, plus anterior perforated substance. Okay, and piriform areas, plus pre-amygdaloid areas. Okay, these are the tertiary neuron. Mainly the primary olfactory cortex is located, this all structure also located in the temporal lobe, but this is the main which is associated to the olfactory sensation. Okay, then the fourth neuron and the quaternary. The tertiary I have also discussed, and the fourth neuron or fourth order neuron, okay, it is mainly secondary olfactory cortex. It is also called as entorhinal cortex. You should remember all this name. Where it is present? It is present in uncus, okay, plus parahippocampal gyrus plus tertiary olfactory cortex, okay. Secondary olfactory cortex, parahippocampal gyrus and tertiary olfactory cortex, okay. Okay, I am going to recap. Olfactory nerve is the first cranial nerve. It is sensory nerve. First neuron means the after passing via the scriviform process of the ethmoid bone, it forms glomerulus and goes to olfactory bulb. So olfactory nerve goes to olfactory bulb, okay. Second order neurons means in the olfactory bulb, the axon terminals of the mitral cells form olfactory tract, okay. Third neuron, the fibers give off the olfactory tract goes to the POC, primary olfactory cortex, and the anterior perforated substance pre-piriform area plus pre-amygdaloid area, okay. And the fourth of the neuron is the fiber give off from the third order neuron, mainly the primary olfactory cortex and the another structure which I have discussed in the tertiary neurons. They give off the fibers which goes to the secondary olfactory cortex and parahippocampal gyrus and tertiary olfactory cortex, which are said or called as the tertiary or fourth order neuron. Secondary olfactory cortex, also it is called as entorhinal cortex, which is present in the uncus. PAG means parahippocampal gyrus and TOC means tertiary olfactory cortex, okay.